Bengaluru Commissioner Manjunath Prasad has said that flooding was due to unexpected heavy rainfall and that the civic body has begun the remodeling of the stormwater drains now. The civic body chief in fact visited the rain-affected areas in Bengaluru.
There are a number of issues. Number one is in this particular area, you see that on either side it's an elevated area. It's like a hill, and in the middle you have this stormwater drain as well as the road. Whatever rainfall has happened, entire rain has come to the road as well as to the stormwater drain. Now, yesterday we had seen a record rainfall in this particular area. About 125 millimeters of rainfall has happened. So all of a sudden, with such much of cloud burst and such much of precipitation, this entire water is seen on the streets as well as on the stormwater drain. Now, Bangalore has about 842 kilometers of stormwater drain. We are in the process of removing these old drains and making up new. This work is going on for up to now in Delhi for another 1 kilometer. Work has started from past 6 months. Work is going on. So now, in this particular area, whatever issues have occurred, we have ensured that relief has been given yesterday night. Next 2 days also it will continue. Our concern is that a health problem should not happen. So that's the reason that entire sanitation is being done. So like this, in yesterday there are about 7-8 places where water logging has occurred. Basically, these are all revenue layouts. These are all the newly added corporations.
The BBMP not anticipated this, sir. Residents of this area state that this wall, a part of the wall that had collapsed and the water entering is something that they had reported earlier to the officials over here.
Because of that only work has started and work is going on. Now each stormwater drain has a capacity. Now, if the rainfall is to that is such a great extent, if the entire stormwater drains get filled and if it is overflowing because of unexpected that much of rainfall, if the carrying capacity of the stormwater drains is also, you see that in the normal times, if there is normal rain, there is no issue. Under extreme circumstances, even the stormwater drains were overflowing. So that is the reason we are trying to ensure that stormwater drains are remodeled and it is in proper condition. So that is the reason we have taken up the remodeling work for the next 1 kilometer.
Okay. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who's joining me on the phone line, getting us further updates on this. Neha, right now, what is the current situation? We've seen the BBMP chief there taking stock of the situation. Which are the areas which were worst affected after there were rains in Bengaluru? And also, what is the response coming in from the BBMP? Because several of the residents have said that for a long time, the stormwater drainage system was not working and that resulted in further problems.
Well, Apurva, that's absolutely right. In fact, if we're talking about how badly the city has been affected, it's mostly the southern part of the city, that's seen, witnessed, of course, a very high rainfall yesterday. So, talking about that more specifically, areas such as Hoskerehalli, Koramangala, Malleshwaram, these are some of the areas where water, had logged to a considerable amount, to a considerable height, in fact, and, later, of course, the residents had to drain their houses out. We were seeing in the morning also where we were reporting from Hoskerehalli, how residents had really struggled the whole night without electricity, and also more importantly, even till this morning, they were busy, taking the muck and the water, really, pushing it out of their houses. So, as far as the BBMP is concerned over here, Apurva, the commissioner did go on to tell us that it was the stormwater drains that were overflowing and work is on at this front. But is that, really satisfactory? Because this is not the first time that we're seeing rains like this in Bengaluru, and this is definitely not the first time that we're seeing waterlogging being reported like this. So we'll have to wait and see what really comes out of this. Of course, the BBMP chief and also the revenue minister taking stock now. However, this is after the damage has been done. So they'll also have to now account for what losses really have been incurred by the residents. That is something that they'll have to estimate and possibly even provide compensation now, Apurva.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and giving us an overall update there of the current situation in Bengaluru.